I just built an AI-powered assistant with AI in less than 5 minutes. So let's take a look at it. So here we have our dashboard. We have an energy tracker, we have today's tasks, upcoming meetings, inbox summary, energy tracker, an AI daily summary that sums up everything that's happening, AI suggested schedule. So we can go into our tasks menu, and in here we'll be able to add our tasks. So we can add a new task. We can say YouTube video. When's it due? It's due in 2 hours. All right. And there it is. So we can just check it off. And now it's done. We can check our emails. So in here we can see all of our emails, and we even get AI suggested responses for those emails. We can mark them as read, we can put them in the archive, and we can delete them. We also have a calendar, and this works just like any other calendar. We can put in new things. We can say marketing, whatever, start time, end time, save event, and now it shows up here. We can watch it in monthly view, weekly view, daily view. We also have a settings tab. Here we can set our theme, we can activate voice command input, we can put additional settings, and all this was done from a single prompt. So we can see the prompt out here on the left side, and here we can see that Stomp completed it. So we'll have to input an API for the email thing to work, but that's very simple to do. So you just go to stomp.dev, input a prompt for anything you want to build, app, game, landing page, tool, whatever it is, and it'll build everything for you. Backend, frontend, database, everything. You don't have to do anything yourself. Now all there is to do is to publish this, and then I have my own personal assistant. It's that easy.